My dear friends, next year, not this year, next year, here I will do fasting for 40 days. This is the place. I will install my tent here on the mountain and do fasting. This year, no fasting because of annulment. No annulment, no fasting. Mogacha. You can make fire of this. From this you can make fire. I'm taking this stone. I got a stone here. You can make fire out of this. So, Jennifer, I am going on the mountain to see. This year no fasting. Next year, this will be my place. I'll put my tent here for 40 days and I'll be fasting. All the judicial vicars, all the bishops, all the priests, cardinals should come on the mountain and do fasting and not in AC rooms. If they love Jesus, as Jesus prayed on the mountain, fasted on the mountain, likewise, so the priests, bishops, cardinals, judicial vicars should fast on the mountain. Jennifer, this year no fasting. This year I am angry because the judicial vicar has not done my annulment. Taking my revenge. He is taking my revenge. Jesus forgave people. Even he was crucified on the cross. And if Louis gives bad words in frustration, he takes the revenge. Judicial vicar takes the revenge because I gave bad words. I will give bad words because why you are taking 2 years for the annulment? Why you are not following state law? Why you are not following state law? Why you are not following civil court order? And taking 2 years harassment to Louis. So this year no fasting. Be careful of snakes. No snakes. Multi-purpose. I have multi-purpose. No snakes. I don't care of snakes. Alone in the mountain. Dilly Long, Tina, Jennifer, Gerald, Sagar, mountain, alone in the mountain. This will be my place of fasting next year. This year no fasting. I am here alone. Birds are chirping. Oh, Johnny will for you now. Seen you eat 24 eggs. I'm sure you don't fast. I eat. Julie Long, I eat eggs because I am a WWE champion. I have to fight in Raw. World heavyweight champion. And very danger area, see this? I am going at the top of the mountain. At the top of the mountain, and then I will tell you. Then, everything is there in this. I will show you everything. William Fernandez as ecclesiastical office, Panjam office, marriage tribunal office didn't do my annulment, and this marriage tribunal office Sindhurga, both of them, they didn't do my annulment. So I will not fast this year. Next year I will be fasting here on the mountain when the Pope will give me annulment. I'll write to Pope. I'll go to Rome and meet the Pope, the great God Pope. I'll meet him, and he will give me the annulment. He will forgive Louis, as Jesus Lord forgave people when he was crucified on the cross. As I gave bad words to judicial vicar, he took revenge of Louis, and he should forgive not 7 times but 70,007 times, and he is taking revenge of Louis, the world's number one, will bring all the judicial vicars, all the bishops, all the priests here on the mountain to pray for 40 days. 40 days they should pray here, as Jesus Lord came on the mountain and prayed and did fasting. They should not sit in the AC and do fasting. They should come here on the mountain and sit here and do fasting. Then they will know the problem of people. They sit in the AC and give the decisions, kindergarten laws, canon laws, kindergarten, forceful laws. Those are forceful laws, kindergarten laws. I'm very dangerous. Pankaj Louis have been having that special helium today. Linit, please take Alice to the mountain. Yeah, she's afraid. She's afraid. Alice is afraid. She is not coming, man. She's afraid of snakes. I don't get afraid. This mountain is mine. I am mountain. I am challenging the mountain. You prefer on cross, crucified on the cross, Louis. That's right, you're saying. Crucified, yes. Why Jesus was crucified? I'll tell you later on. Because he didn't follow Moses' spiritual orders. He didn't follow Herod king orders. He didn't follow Pontius Pilate orders. He was against Herod king, against Moses' spiritual laws, and he made apostle to Mary Magdalene, and was trying to make apostle to Pontius Pilate's wife, Claudia. You teasing to Claudia? You teasing to Claudia and Mary Magdalene. So he was crucified on the cross. Not because of my sins, because of his own sins. He didn't follow Moses' spiritual laws. He didn't follow Herod King orders. He didn't follow Governor Pontius Pilate. He proclaimed himself as God. So he was crucified on the cross. Till I get annulment, the words of Luis D'Souza will be like this. What preaching super. Which song? Tell me which song. काय बर बँड है वाजता काळजक संतोष बघता चढे आणि चढवा नसता माई मकाय नाचक दिसता अग तुका नका हा काय बर बँड है वाजता काळजक संतोष बघता चढे आणि चढवा नसता माई मकाय नाचक दिसता तुका नका हा battery low by go and become priest to worry about anything. Which song? Network also low. Network is low. Network is low. Tell me some song. Remind me some songs. I'm looking one tree here. I can't find any tree. I'm looking one tree. Let me check if there is one tree or not. I am here totally on the mountain. Oh, there is small tree here. Oh, very small tree. Yes, I'll come and sit here. Tell me some songs. Some God is here also. Which song? Multipurpose. Any song? Tell me song. Oh, Julie. Wow, Julie. Wow, Julie. If you love me truly, do you want me, Julie, to be your very own? Sorry. Julie, love me only. Julie, please don't deceive me. Julie, oh, believe me and be my very own. Wow, wow, Julie, if you love me truly, do you want me, Julie, to be your very own? Wow, wow, Julie, if you love me truly, do you want me, Julie, to be your very own? Julie, love me only. Julie, please don't deceive me. Julie, oh, believe me and be my very own. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hazel, hi. First of all, Gerald, thank you. Jennifer, Sagar, Luis, you are saying fasting and saying no fasting and feasting. Jennifer, thank you. Tina, thank God there is a network. Tina, Judy Long, battery low, Nigel, and be careful snakes. And who is that battery? Where is William Fernandez? William Fernandez. This Panjam Marriage Tribunal Office, Ecclesiastical Tribunal Office, something is that. Inquisition Office. William Fernandez, it is Inquisition Office. Still it is Inquisition Office. 1600 Inquisition Office. That is same Ecclesiastical Tribunal Office. They didn't do my annulment, man. Huh? They sent my case from Sindhurga and they sent this gave the pinch. Who? Judicial because Sindhurga gave pinch. Don't do this. I'll do it from the Pope. If it does, I'll give sticks on the everything. I'm telling you. I'll do everything. I'll inform everything of Christianization in 16th century in Goa. I'll do all videos then. Don't know me. Okay, bye. I know. I am an historian. I know everything. Oh, bye. Love you all. Bye. Jennifer. Because of it, not because of my sins, Jennifer. It is because of his own sins. You teasing, Jennifer. You teasing to Mary Magdalene, and you teasing to this Pontius Pilate wife, trying to make disciple. So crucifixion. You don't know. No teasing. You teasing to girls. If you do you teasing to girls, then you will be crucified. Bye. Bye. Love you all. Bye. Thank you for watching. I am alone now. See this. Alone. I got this tree, small tree. Else there is no tree here. This small tree sitting here. No, you teasing to girls, huh? You get punishment. Bye.